Hello, this is Sama, and this is my web redemption. I had an interview today, and I was given this problem, and I totally got stage fright and forgot how to do it. So, what do you do when this happens? You go home afterward and you redeem yourself by making a video. Okay, so this is the expression that we want to factor. 3y squared plus 12y. So basically, what we do when we're factoring is instead of having an addition problem, we're making it into a multiplication problem. Okay? And we're going to do this in five steps. Okay, step one. You need to identify the greatest common factor. So for those two terms that we had in the expression, we had 3y squared in the blue box, and we had 12y. So what are the common factors? What are the common factors for 3y? So basically, what do we multiply together to equal 3y? Okay, so they are 1, 3, 3y, and 3y squared. Okay, for 12y, the factors are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12, 3y, and 12y. Okay, so when we look at these factors, we're going to find the common factors. Of course, both of these terms have a few common factors. They have the 1, they have the 3. Okay, but the greatest common factor that we are going to use is 3y. Okay, so we're going to be using the greatest common factor a lot in this. And if you get that down, you have this problem down. Okay, so step 2. Place that greatest common factor in front of a set of parentheses. Okay, so we determined that our GCF was 3y. We have it in front of an empty set of parentheses. All right, step 3. You need to divide the terms by the greatest common factor, or GCF. Okay, so right here was our original expression, not factored, right? So we're going to divide this by that 3y. Okay, so 3y squared divided by 3y, if we just do that side first. Okay, so the 3's will cancel out. And then y squared, when you subtract it or divide it by y, okay, it's like subtraction. So there's 2 there, and there's an imaginary 1 exponent right here. So it'd be 2 minus 1. So what you're left with is just y, okay, right here. And then you do the other side. We're going to cover this up. 12 divided by 3 is 4. The y's cancel out. So the expression that we have now, or when we divide that, is y plus 4. Okay, step 4. Place the answer you got from step 3 into the parentheses. I think this is pretty exciting. So we had the 3y with the blank parentheses, okay, so now we're just filling that in. This is your answer, okay, but I still, sometimes we're not sure if we're right. So what do? Step 5, you always check your work. Okay, so for this, we're going to do it by substituting a small number for y. Do this for your original expression and for your new factored expression. Okay, so I'm going to do this on the next page. So our original expression, our first thing that we had, was 3y squared plus 12y. Okay, so we have that. So we're going to substitute. If y equals 2, then 3 times 2 squared plus 12 times 2 equals 36. Do the math. I'll leave it on here for a little bit. Does it indeed equal 36? Okay, so that's our original expression. So we want our new factored expression to also equal 36. Okay, so here that is. This is what we got. 3y, parenthesis, y plus 4, in parenthesis. So if y equals 2, then 3 times 2 times 2 plus 4 equals 36 as well. Is that true? Okay, so after doing some math, you should see that it is. So since both our old original expression and our new expression equal 36, bam, you're right. You got the right answer. Congratulations. Okay, and that is all. Thank you. Bye.